Hello boys and girls. Today I just wanted to go through with you how to solve missing number sentences. This is mainly for first class as it's a new type of question that's coming up in our Work It Out mental maths. But senior infants, of course, you're always more than welcome to listen in if you want. So today we had question 7 in our Work It Out. Here you see a number sentence where all the numbers are missing. However, you'll see our maths symbols. The first one is a takeaway sign and the second one is our equal sign. That lets us know that this is a takeaway sentence. In order to figure out what the missing numbers are, you must look at the picture underneath. Here are a number of triangles. The first step to solving this number sentence is counting how many triangles you have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, my first number is going to be 7 and I write 7 in the first box. Remember, when we're doing takeaway number sentences, our big number always comes first. The next part, we have to figure out what amount of triangles we took away from 7. These are shown in our picture by having a line crossing them out. Let's count how many triangles we took away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'll write the number 4. I took away 4 triangles from the number 7. Then I have to find out how many were left after I took 4 away. Well, this is the amount of triangles that was left. 1, 2, 3. So I write the number 3 in my third box. Then I'll read my number sentence out loud and see if it makes sense. 7 take away 4 equals 3. Because this is a new type of question, I'm going to double check using my fingers. I'll put up 7 fingers first. Then I'll take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And are you left with 3? Yes. So that's what your number sentence is. 7 take away 4 equals 3. I'm going to go through a few more examples now with you just so that you get used to doing these new type of questions. Here I can see I have a missing number sentence again, but I can also see that it's a takeaway sentence because I've got my subtraction sign. Here I have a picture of how many trucks? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll write the number 4 first. How many trucks have been crossed out? 1. So that tells me that I'm taking away 1 truck. And how many are left in my picture? 3. So that's the number that I write third after the equal sign. 4 take away 1 equals 3. Let's double check that that makes sense. Put up 4 fingers. Take away 1. Are you left with 3? Yes. So that number sentence now makes sense. Next example, boys and girls. Here I have blobs of paint, blobs of green paint. Let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's the number that I write first in my number sentence. Remember, it's a takeaway number sentence, so my biggest number is written first. Next, I count how many have been crossed out. 1, 2, 3. So that tells me that 3 have been taken away. So I write the number 3 after my takeaway sign. Now I have to find out how many are left. 1, 2, 3 are left. So that means I'm left with 3 and I write that number third after my equal sign. Finally, I'll read out my number sentence to see if it makes sense. 6 take away 3 equals 3. Let's double check with our fingers. Put up 6 fingers. Now, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you left with 3 fingers standing up? Yes. So now you know that number sentence makes sense. Next up, boys and girls, we're counting how many cars we see all together. Remember, this is another takeaway missing number sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the number I write is 12. Next step is to count how many have been crossed out because that represents how many cars have been taken away. 1, 2. So I'll write the number 2 here after my takeaway sign. The last part is to count how many are left after I take away 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 left, so I write my third number 10 after the equal sign. Let's read again to see if that makes sense. 12 take away 2 equals 10. This time I can't double check using my fingers as we don't have 12 fingers, but what you can do is count back 2 from the number 12 out loud. 12, 11, 10. You landed on the number 10. Finally, boys and girls, I want you to try this one on your own. You can write it out or you can just call it out loud to somebody in your family. So here you have to count how many cats are sitting on the branch. I have crossed out 3 of those cats. So you have to figure out how many will be left. Please call out the number sentence or write it down now. This activity is just to help you get used to the new type of question that's coming up in our Work It Out. You will probably be seeing more of this type of question in the next few weeks, so it's good to get a good start now. Well done, boys and girls.